Hey everyone, this is Serge with your Microcontroller Minutes. This is part 15 of the KEYESTUDIO 3701 sensor kit, the waterSensorModule. I'll use the fritzing software to show you how to connect everything, so here's what you'll need. An Arduino microcontroller, preferably the UNO version or similar, a 400 type point breadboard, a USB cable, the waterSensorModule, 3 to 11 jumper wires, a small dish with water, and paper towel. Place the waterSensorModule on the breadboard towards the middle, connect the pin labeled S to analog pin A0, connect the pin labeled VCC to 5 volt, then connect the pin labeled G and D to ground. Now here is what it looks like in the real world. Grab the USB cable, connect it to the Arduino, and then connect to your computer. We'll use the Arduino IDE software for programming the Arduino UNO. Open the IDE, go to Tools, then Boards, then Arduino AVR boards, then select the Arduino UNO. Then go to Tools again, go to Port, then select the serial port where your Arduino is connected. Upload the following 10 lines of code. Open the serial monitor and observe the values from the sensor. Next, dip your finger into the small dish of water and let a few drops fall onto the water sensor. The reading should change to a value between 0 and 1023. The more water, the higher the value. Try modifying the code. Change the range of values using the map function. Create a new variable for your sensor reading and add the map function. Insert the variable that received the reading. Then insert the old minimum and old maximum values. Then insert the new minimum and new maximum values and see what happens. Once you get the hang of it, come back and join us for the next module.